Alrighty, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over with you guys just really quickly how to do some sketches for your earrings. Okay, you can see I started one over here, but what we want to do is when we do some sketches for our earrings, we want to think about a couple things. We want to think about the main shape, and then we also want to think about joined shapes. And then we want to think about our bead, right? So where is that bead going to go? So these are the three things that I want to think about. So let's just start with a joined shape. So if you look at this design over here, I have what we call a starting loop. So what I'll do up in this design is I'm going to do a starting loop just like this. And I'm going to start with a triangle shape here. Maybe more like, let's start with like a diamond shape, something like that, right? So that's my first main shape. So now what I'm going to do is think about a joined shape. So maybe what I'm going to do is I'll come in, I'll have a joining area here. So I just kind of draw a little hook to show where it joins. And then maybe I draw a wire that comes in like this. And then maybe it like spirals in that design. And then maybe what I'll do is I'll show where the bead's going to go. So that second part right here is it's going to join there. And then maybe what I do is I'll throw a bead here and a bead here just to show where my beads are going to go. And what you could even do is kind of color those in just so they look kind of solid. Okay. The other thing I'm going to do is, obviously you'll do that for a couple shapes, so maybe this one I'm going to go more circular. There's the bell. Right? And then what I'll do is maybe I will join for this one. Maybe I'll join wire right here. And this is going to go kind of down, and maybe this will spiral right in the middle. Okay, so that's how we'll do it. You just want to think about these three things. Where you're going to have wire joining, right? You can even point to it and write join. You can even point to it and write bead. Okay, obviously sketch with a pencil. I'm just using a Sharpie here just so that you can get some ideas and see how exactly it's going to work. All right, and I'm working a lot bigger just for your sake to be able to see this on video. Okay, obviously you can do whatever design you want, but these are the three main requirements, and we're going to show you, I'll demonstrate to you how to do some of that joining. Obviously joining is going to be on that YouTube video that I put on Canvas for you. Okay, we know how to make a main shape from our bracelet assignment, and then I'll do the third demonstration on how to make a bead. Okay, so today go ahead and get some of those sketches done, and from there we can start maybe playing with some wire once you're done with those sketches. Again, you'll take a picture of this and submit it to Canvas. All right, guys, get cranking.